Hey, I'm Omar, and if you're here, then you're ready to transform your project into something extraordinary. Well, guess what? I'm not here just to meet your expectations, I'm here to exceed them. Over the past 4 years, I've not just designed apps and websites, I've curated experiences. From creating seamless interfaces to optimizing checkout flows, I've been the driving force behind turning ideas into reality. What's my secret? I'm not just a designer, I'm a creator. My technical design background isn't just about making things look good. It's about making them perform, inspire, and elevate your brand. Why do people choose to work with me? I don't see projects. I see partnership. Your success is personal to me. I'm not satisfied until you're thrilled. And yes, I do have a therapist, but let's save that for another conversation. So here's the deal. If you're ready to stand out, let's make magic together. Dive into my portfolio and see the stories behind the designs. Your vision deserves more than just talk, it deserves action. Let's create something that not only meets but exceeds your wildest expectations. I'm ready. Are you?